Hey, what's up, you guys? Welcome back. In today's video update here for Ethereum Classic, we are trading at $39.14. 24-hour volume, we're down 32%, and market cap, we're up 0.06%. Heading over to our chart here, we're going to go over 4-time intervals: 1 week, 1 day, 2 hours, and 30 minutes here, depending on your trade preference. And taking a look at a weekly chart, you guys, we are finding very good support roughly around the $30.92 as we surpassed and closed above our 20 MA. And here's another retest of our 50 MA essentially at this point right here. Take a look that we did close above it and then coming down to an area of support and then basically closing above it once again. So if we take a look at the RSI itself, we are initially at a pinch here. We do need to wait again roughly around 1 or 2 days here to see if this is an initial signal for a buy order. Normally, whenever we see a crossover here with the white line above the pink line, then that's essentially the order or a sign for a buying opportunity. In regards to our fib chart, you guys, we do see an area of convergence here where price is ultimately going to attract either buy or selling orders as the price is above this area of our fib, roughly around $37.55. Again, we do see on our MACD indicator, this is really good for Ethereum Classic, that the MACD line is above 0%, initiating that the primary trend itself may actually change from a bearish trend to a bullish trend. Keep in mind, so long as we're above the 50 MA and continuing upwards, the Bollinger Bands here are expanding, meaning higher volatility that we're going to see price move fairly quickly here. Heading over to our daily chart, you guys, as the price is coming up, we are above our 20 MA, our 50 MA, so we know the trend itself is coming up. However, take a look at the candlestick so far for today. I know it's not over, but if we take a look at the candlestick that we currently have, it does look like the body is very, very small. This doji candle in an uptrend does show a lot of indifference when it comes to the bulls and the bears, and depending on which side is going to be the winner, we're going to either come up to a resistance zone or come down to an area of support. If we take a look at the volume as well, the uptrend that we are so far for today, we only generated 266,000 trades. As the volume is coming down and the price is going up, it is not really supported, so that we're not going to have a breakout. We're actually going to be looking for shorter trends on a shorter time frame as well. And we take a look at our RSI. We are currently at 70% for our K line and our D line is at 58%. If we do take a look previously, as we are coming up to an area of confluence with our fib chart at $38.08, it initiated a sell order at this area of confluence. So again, this area is going to be more seen, have more traction, and a lot of people are going to see if we can bounce from here as an area of support or an area of resistance as the price is above this line here. Essentially, if we take a look at the previous action around this resistance line and we already see a sell order or sell signal with our RSI, it gives us an idea that the possible repercussions of the same thing happening again is more likely going to happen again. So what we may see in the next couple of days or so is this pinching of the RSI below 80%, especially closer to the $39.91. We may come back down and retest this area as support. When we take a look at our MACD indicator too, we do see that we are in the green. We have really good momentum coming up. However, this is going to hold us back, so anticipate some pullbacks on a lower time frame here. Going into 2-hour time frame, you guys, we have been seeing the price action moving sideways, hitting resistance roughly around the $40.43 range, and then coming down to an area of support roughly around the $30.36. So we do see that the Bollinger Bands here are narrowing, meaning again, side price action. It is going to consolidate. We're going to be seeing the price hit resistance, hitting support until one side is stronger than the other. So we may see a breakout either in an uptrend or a breakout in a downtrend. As we are seeing the price here only in the midsection of our consolidation range, we do see that the RSI is at 81%, which is already considered overbought as soon as it does retrace to 80%, and we see our K line at 49%. So again, be prepared to see some pullbacks at this range. We do see the MACD indicator lighter in color, meaning that the MACD indicator for this bear segment may be slowing down, especially again when we're coming down to an area of support. When we see that flip over of the red to the green, we're going to bounce very nicely and then get that momentum to come up. But again, having an RSI very high, around the 80%, we are going to see some pullbacks in the next couple of hours or so. We do see that, I mean, this candlestick itself is very high in the body in this 2-hour time frame, but essentially there is no wick at the very bottom, meaning that the bears are getting a handle of this market here. And then lastly, you guys, for our 30-minute time frame, we can see that we are making a lot of lower highs in this uptrend, which is very nice. However, we did break over the 20 MA. Again, really good. We did signal a possible buy order, as well as the MACD indicator does show spaces in between our orange signal line and then our blue line itself. Again, it does show a lot of momentum and the strength as the price is coming down and near an area of support, which is our 20 MA. So as the price, again, does show a buy signal, be prepared again for price to retrace down, because if we take a look at this 30-minute time interval, a lot of the body itself is near the bottom. And normally whenever we see that the session itself is near the bottom, it gives us a hint that the bears may take control, especially in a lower time frame as well. Watch out for this area of convergence here with our fib charts at $38.59. If we do ultimately break through this, it's not only going to be breaking our trend line here, but it's below our 20 MA in the 30-minute time frame, and then it can easily switch over into this uptrend, this beautiful uptrend, to a downtrend. So that's my video for Ethereum Classic. Thank you guys so much for watching. Like, subscribe to support my channel down below, and send me a comment as well. But I'll see you next time. Bye.